All right, welcome back to 6 News at 10. We had a break in the severe weather activity today, but it's back in the forecast tomorrow. And along with that, we can see some warm and breezy conditions turning windy as we move into tomorrow. Storm chances increase late Friday evening into your Saturday morning. That is our next biggest threat for some severe weather, and we'll continue to track it as we get closer and closer. By Sunday, we're cooler and we're calmer, and the temperatures are more seasonable out there. Getting a live look at Temple, looking at I-90, I said I-90, 190. So look, traffic's moving smoothly. It's a beautiful night, 72 degrees, south-southeast winds at 14 miles per hour. Here's the temperatures across the region, 74 in Hillsborough. How about 74 in Waco? 72 in Lampasas and San Saba, 73 in Hamilton right now. Showing you satellite and radar. I don't have much going on across the region. As you can see, some pesky showers off in our western counties, but otherwise, we're remaining relatively dry. But I want to shift 6 hours northward and show you there's some tornado warnings moving across the I-40 corridor just east of Amarillo right now. But I want to show you something really cool. Now, this is a tornado warning. Obviously, we want to make sure everybody's okay. If you have any family up here, definitely check up on them. But this is not too far from the infamous 1996 Twister film. If you've ever watched that, their filming site is right in Fairview. This is within a 30-mile radius from where this tornado warning is. So it's just a very iconic situation going on right now. And it's a well-defined supercell. So they're just in those conditions for more severe weather, very favorable conditions for that to really happen. Back here in Central Texas, let's talk about the rest of the winds in the overnight hours. We'll be anywhere from 20 to 25 mile per hour. That's on the breezier side, but it's not until we get to Friday afternoon when we really start to see those winds ramp up. By Friday afternoon, we can see those gusts anywhere from 30 to even 40 miles per hour at times. You can see peak gusts College Station, 41 miles per hour, before they start to subside as we get into Friday evening into the night hours. Now, to talk about the rain, as far as the rest of Thursday evening, nothing really going on. It's not until we get into Friday morning when we could see some more scattered, spotty showers across the area. But once we get into the afternoon hours, again, when that daytime heating happens, we could see some possible thunderstorms move across the area. Now, moving into Saturday, Saturday is the day we're really tracking as we have an approaching cold front. As you know, cold air is dense, so it lifts up that warm air, and that's what causes that mixing in the atmosphere, and that can really fire up some storms as we move into your Saturday morning, into your early afternoons. You can see by these yellow returns, letting us know that that could be some very intense rain at times. And that's your Saturday into your Sunday. I mean, we could see some showers move through, but otherwise speaking, Saturday's calm, clear, and quiet. As far as your rainfall totals for the next few days or so into your Sunday, could be anywhere from a quarter of an inch to an inch out there. Now, you may ask, where is all this severe weather coming from? Because this high pressure system right here giving record-breaking temperatures out off in the southeast, and this trough, once they clash together, it's just all the resources you need to cause some severe weather out there. So tomorrow will be under a marginal risk. Moving into Saturday, as that cold front moves through, we'll really see the severe weather activity ramp up. And there's a big possibility that we could possibly see some storms produced, especially on Saturday. Now keep in mind, tornadoes are on the lower end. The biggest threats will be these high winds and flooding as the rain really can bring down some moderate to heavy downpours at times. We'll stay in that weather impact alert for the next 3 days or so. By the time we get into next week, could be talking about our next chance for some severe weather on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll keep you guys updated on that. And if you missed this forecast, remember to watch the 6 Plus streaming app. It is free, and who doesn't like free?